Always fall forward. Failure is going to happen. Big goals don't happen unless you're taking risks and trying new things. What this means for you are two very distinct things. One, you're probably going to fail at some point. Two, some well-meaning individual is going to try and protect you from that failure by cautioning you either not to try or not to attempt it again once you've experienced that failure. The critical thing to realize is the best growth happens as a result of those failures. Here's where you learn what doesn't work and usually start to see what does. To quit now would lose the forward momentum you're already building and will guarantee you never experience success. So tell the naysayers it's okay. You've got this. Really, you do. It's all part of the journey to success. Then get out there and show them how it's done. Always fall forward. Failure is going to happen.